This guide will show you how to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome. Perhaps you no longer want a password saved in Google Chrome because you don't use the account anymore, or you've deleted the account and you want to remove the associated login credentials. We'll walk you through the process step by step. So once you're in your Google Chrome web browser, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Now from the menu that appears, select Passwords and Autofill. Now click on Google Password Manager. And here you'll see all of your saved passwords. You can scroll down and find the password that you wish to delete. Go ahead and select the desired website or account. Verify that it's you. And then tap on Delete, which is beside the Edit option, and you'll be done. The password has now been deleted. Please ensure that you're certain you want to delete the password before proceeding. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.